So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here on another nice, bright, sunny day on Paddy Signals live trading. So, as you are aware, I've been trading COQ from the beginning of this month, 1st July, and today is the 7th day. So, this is the 7th day, and I want to show you the charts, what has been happening. So, if you remember, yesterday I showed the charts and I talked about these lines. I talked about entering this blue line and selling half of it on this line and the remaining half. So far this target has been hit, so I've been able to sell 50% of my COQ, right? I'm going to show you in the Excel sheet, right? And now the prices, it doesn't look like it wants to go up here. It now looks like this part is now becoming the channel. If you look at the price coming from here, you can see there's something forming here, but it's not yet confirmed yet. So right now I don't know what to do because I've sold 50% of my COQ at this point, and the remaining 50% I'm waiting for the price to go up. So, and this is the current price now, the red line, this red one, this is where it is. So the first thing so there are two things I'm going to do. First, I'm going to adjust the stop loss. So this was the original stop loss, which was 5%. So I'm going to take the stop loss to the entry point. So even though the price goes against me, I'm not going to take a loss, right, for the remaining part of the COQ that is not yet sold. Because if you remember, I bought some COQ, I sold 50% of it here. So the remaining 50%, I was hoping to get more profit on this place, but no. But just to mention, I'll show you in the Excel sheet, this 50% sale got me 3.2% profit. So from here to here was 3.2%. So I already have 3.2% already on this trade, right? I'm going to show you in the sheet. So the remaining 50% is still waiting to, I don't know what to do. So I'm going to ask AI what to do. But already what I'm going to do is adjust the take profit, the stop loss. So I'm going to take it up here to the entry price. So that means if the price comes down to this place for some reason, the remaining COQ I didn't sell will just sell off on this point. But if it sells off, it's not going to be a loss. It's going to be like, because it's the same price I entered, right? So maybe I'm just going to lose commission fees, but not a loss. So that's the adjustment. I already made it before I came to show it. So I'm going to show you in the trade. So if you look at this one, you can see trigger price. So this is a sell. I said when it is less than or equals to 4540, you should just sell everything, right? So so this is the sell this quantity when the price is less than or equal to 4540, and this is 4540. So I already adjusted the stop loss to come here before I came to this video. So that's that part. So that's number one. And number two, I'm going to ask ChatGPT what I should do next based on the situation. So before that, I'm going to show you the chart, the Excel sheet, to show you the trade I made, the last trade, which got me the profit. You can see here, 3.53% profit. So I bought at 454, if you remember. That was the buy price, which was this one. And let me just, yes. And on this date, I bought on this date, it was on the 4th, and the same 4th, I sold at 4709, right? I sold 50%. This is 185 COQs. If you look at previously, I had 352 COQs. So I sold 185. And this is what I got in money, $87. And after fees, this is what I get after fees. So then at the end I got 3.53%. So this is my total since I started trading. This is what I've made. So I have some loss here, little gain here, loss here, gain. So when any trade comes in, I'm going to continue to fill in this sheet. So for my traders who are interested to have this kind of a sheet to record your trades, I can share it with you. So everything is the formula is already implemented in the Excel sheet. So once you put in the values, the figures automatically is calculated. For example, the profit and loss, the net sell, and some of these values are automatically calculated. So that's it for the sheets. And Next, now I'm going to ask AI what's the next step to do based on the situation I am here. So before that, I'm going to add the indicators. So I'm leaving this one, and I'm going to add some indicators which I like. So we have Bollinger Bands. Yes. So anytime the price is above the middle Bollinger Band, there's always a sign of bullishness. So let's see what AI says, but that's what I think. The next one is RSI, Relative Strength Index, which is this one here. I think I need to take this away. Okay. So this is Relative Strength Index, which has some values here. And the next indicator I'm going to put is Stochastic RXI, which is this one. So this always means something. When the blue one crosses above the orange, it looks like price is yeah, I'm going to explain it. And that's that one. And I'm going to put something with volume, unbalanced volume. Unbalanced volume, this one. Yes, this is it here. And what am I putting in again? Normal volume. So I'm not going to stress myself to crack my brain. I just use AI to analyze it, and I provide different time frames to the AI to analyze. This can go, it's normal value. And what else? I think that's it. MEA, moving average exponential. MAE, sorry, moving average exponential, this one. So yes, I have everything added now. So yes, so I'm going to provide different time frames starting from 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. That's the time frames I'm providing. So I'm going to make screenshots of them. So this is first with 5 minutes time frame. Okay, the values are here. Okay, yes, so let me just make a screenshot. Screenshot. Five minutes. Copy. So I'm just gonna do like this. So this was from yesterday. So for today, I'm just gonna copy all the time frames which I want to share with ChatGPT. Excuse me. It's for 15 minutes. One hour time frame. If you don't understand what a time frame is, then you have to send me a message privately, then I can explain it to you. But I tend to explain it sometimes if you watch my past videos. Excuse me. It's 1 hour time frame. And the 4 hours time frame. I already prepared a prompt to use for ChatGPT, so I prepared it just before the meeting. Attached are the current COQ charts for different time frames. Also in the chart shows my last trade plan where I entered at this price, sold 50% of the asset at this price, and set to sell the remaining 50% at this price. The first take profit was hit and sold off 50%. The second take profit is not yet hit. I adjusted the stop loss to the entry price. What should I do now based on the charts and the asset available? So this is the prompt. Very simple. Enter. So let's see what it says. So it tells me based on the charts, your current position. Okay. So this stop loss of chart analysis, 5 minutes and 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Momentum is currently slowing. Stock RSI is descending on both, hinting at short-term consolidation or pullback. RSI is neutral around this value. Volume is decreasing slightly. No strong push yet for confirmation. So in the last between 5 to 15 minutes, it doesn't look like there's any push, like things are pulling back. Maybe people are selling more in the last 5 to 15 minutes. So and it tells us in the last 1 hour that the price is consolidating. In the last 4 hours, this is going on. So summary outlook. So yeah, this is a good thing about AI. I mean, you can always slowly read through it, but most of the time, since we are trying to use AI a lot, we want to see what we can achieve using AI. So let's see. So let's just see what it says. So yeah, it tells us we lost some profit, signal good risk control, remaining position in consolidation, hold or trail stop loss, momentum short term weakening. So it's saying in the short term the momentum is weakening. So the price is going down. Watch for bounce. Higher time frame view, still sideways, no strong breakout. Recommended action now. Option 1, let it ride with discipline. Low risk approach. Since your stop loss is already at break even, yes, because I increased my stop loss, I let it come up. I brought the stop loss to the entry price. So that's what he's saying. So he said I should hold the remaining 50%, so I shouldn't sell it. So there's the hope that the take profit price will be hit. Take profit 2 price. That's the second green line. So let the price either hit this 2P2, you exit full with great profit. Okay, this is the best plan. Option 2. Okay, let the final time. This locks in more profit but still gives room for upside. Warning signs to watch. Strong rejection from this. Final thoughts. Right now you are in a no loss good position. Unless major bearish signals show up, stay in the trade with the current stop and take profit. If the price breaks below this with volume, then accept the stop out and prepare for the next entry lower. Would you like me to alert you? No, I don't want. So I think I like this idea. So I want to sell 25% more. So because I'm not really this whole challenge, this whole thing I'm doing is just to show how we can use AI to make more money. I mean, so I'm not really concerned about being greedy to make so much money. So like I also want to see how we can make little profits every day or every other day, but at the end of the month you should get at least 30% profit. So that's my plan. So and that's what I want to show in all this video series. So yes, so I want to do this one. I want to sell 25% of the 50% not yet sold at this price and let the final 25 go to the take profits too. So what I mean here is like here. So I'm gonna take out this confusing things. So Bollinger Band, I'm gonna take it. I'll just hide it. I'll just remove it because I want the full screen. So yes, so what I'm going to do, the remaining 50%, which I was planning to sell on this line, I'm not going to sell. I'm only going to sell 25% on this line, and the remaining 25% I will sell in the price ChatGPT suggested. So it suggested I sell 4680 or 4720. Let me see. 4720. Where is that? Let me just take a line. Horizontal line and look for 4720, which is around here. That's too low. I mean, I'm here. This is where the price is currently. So I'm going to sell here. Let me see, 4720. But I want to do what AI asks, so I'll just do it. So I don't want to be too greedy. Yes, I don't want to be too greedy. So 4720. So what I'm going to do now, so this is the so I'm just going to, let me just expand this. Let me expand this first. And I want to put some notes here. How can I do that? Can I add a text? Yes, like this. Okay. So 25% here. So I'm just doing what AI says I should do. Okay. 4720. Yes. I just want to drag the text. Can I just drag this thing in? Drag it. Okay, let me just put it. Yeah, you get the point. 4720 is the place to put it. Yes. So I'll sell 25% there. So how do I do it? So this was what I wanted to sell at 4862. This one, so I'm going to cancel this trade, or I'm going to just adjust it and sell 25 and 50%. So I'm going to divide this one by 2. Yes. So it's the quantity. So this is the quantity I wanted to buy, I wanted to sell. So I'm going to divide it by 2. So that makes it 25%, because this is like 50% now. So let me do this here. This divided by 2. So it's this. So I'm going to change this to half of it, which is like this. Yes. So I have half remaining, so which I'm going to set on this one. So I have to put my sell, and the sell price is, what did they say? I should say 4720. 4720, and the quantity should be the what is left, 87. Yes, because 87. So yes, yeah, because of trading fees also. So sell. It should be conditional, not a limit. It should be a conditional limit. So for the price I want to put it is 4720. I want it to trigger when it is 4719, and this limit. Yes. So the quantity is what is left, which is 185,000. Yes, exactly. So this is it. And yes, I just click sell. So yes, the order comes here. So you can see, yeah, this is these two. So once it's what's going on? 185, and this is 92. So this should be 92. Yes. It should be this. Yeah, that makes more sense. Yep. So that's it. So I have a 25% on this line. I think that will be hit before tomorrow. So then we'll see what happens to the remaining. So yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining me on day 7 of live trading. We've been trading COQ, and our target is to get 30%. Yeah, I just want to remind you, this is not advice. So if you want to trade crypto, always do your research, right? I'm not a financial advisor. This is just a hobby of mine. And I like to educate people on crypto. Yeah, so do your own research before investing into crypto. Yeah, so thank you, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.